So I picked up this TOPDON ODB2 code scanner off the Amazon. Been using it for a while now, and it works pretty good. I just bought it to kind of keep in my toolbox. It was like 40 bucks just to read simple codes. If I got a check engine light that pops on to see what the heck it's pointing to. And I've got a couple of codes on the Subaru behind me, and I'll show you how it works. Oh, before I dive into this, if you want to check this out on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description of the video. Click on the link, you can shoot over to it and check it out and buy it right off Amazon if you want. All right, so I've connected it to the ODB2 connection under the dashboard. You want to connect it up to there. And I've got my device in my hand right here. Okay, so I got the key turned forward. The ignition, the car's not running. You can see that the cluster is lit up like a Christmas tree. So you can kind of arrow around and select what setting you want. There's a review, there's a setup. And I've used this on a bunch of vehicles and I'm yet to have it not work on a vehicle. So right here, I'm gonna hit OK. And then I'm gonna hit OK again. And there's a couple of codes in there. So let's see if there's any more codes. Yeah, there's two codes. There's a generic transmission control system. Of course, there's a PO700 code. And the another PO700 code. So I'm gonna do a little bit of work to the car right now. I got a few things I gotta fix. And if you wanted to erase this code, you can go in, I got an arrow back. You can kind of select arrow down. Okay, so to erase the codes, you can just hit, OK right there. And then you can hit OK again. Make sure you turn the ignition to the on position without starting the car, and it's telling me to do that. Hit OK. And then there's one more code in there, but I did erase. I had like 5 codes in there. So we'll have to check that issue out next. But yeah, you should be all set. This does let you erase the codes, and that's how easy it is to do it. And this is a pretty good little tool. I've had it for a bit, and it's helped me out of a lot of jams. It saved me from going to, well, we don't go to the mechanic. We are the mechanic. So it saved me a ton of money by just being able to diagnose stuff in my driveway real quick. So I'll put a link to that code scanner in the description of the video. If you guys have a comment, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Hey, and thanks for the guys that are giving us some super thanks here and there. Every little bit's appreciated, and goes a long way. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Have a good day.